Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a full house clean in under 2 hours. So basically what's been happening is, I get my migraines and stuff during the week, as you guys know, and unfortunately my house ends up looking very trashy. So my 1 hour clean that I've been doing, which is realistically only 20 minutes a day, just has not been working because I just get so sick. So basically I was sick of my house looking like trash and cleaning other people's houses and coming back to mine, and I decided that is about time to do something about it. So that is what I'm doing. I've been doing probably for the last month or so, is I'll save like a 2 hour time slot for myself and I will do a full house clean. So that is just what I'm decided that I'd share with you today. I'm not actually using my backpack either because I got too lazy to do that, but I am just doing a basic clean. I haven't moved anything either, and you'll notice I'm actually not cleaning the inside of the shower because I currently clean that while I'm in the shower. So I can do a little updated clean of that at some stage if you want to see how I clean that. But yeah, you'll see it all looks pretty clean, but this is just what it looks like currently from last week's clean. So it does stay reasonably clean, but yeah, you'll see that there is some crumbs and there is a bit of maintenance to do. So that's what I'm up to today. So the first thing I start off by doing is just putting all the chemicals and stuff in the toilet. Yes, I'm not going to show you too much more because you can see a big plumber's crack, so I'll leave that to your imagination. And then I just go around and I go and spray all the surfaces that are in the house and just give them a quick wipe. So I did test this new cloth out and I absolutely hate it. There was a bit of cursing going on there. So yeah, I did end up changing that back up to my normal one. So I'll show you what that looks like. It looks really terrible. Oh my gosh, I hate it. It's leaving on like a real watery marks and you can't get it off. I usually always start off by wiping down all the surfaces because then I can just sweep everything basically onto the floor because I'm going to vacuum anyway, and then I try and give down a wipe down to all the items that are on the surfaces as well. So this is the sort of pace that I'm working at today. I'm trying to speed through it as fast as I can. The reason why I set the timer for 1 hour and 10 minutes is because I have to do the kinder pickup and then go straight to swimming today. So yeah, I didn't have much time at all. So I was trying to get the whole house done in 1 hour and 10, which I know is not possible, but that was what I was trying, my aim was to do. If I didn't get that done, I at least wanted the back half of the house done. And as you can see, I'm cheating on the shower today. As I mentioned before, I do clean the shower while I'm inside the shower now. So what I need to do now is all I do is grab my glass cleaning cloth and I just go over it with vinegar just to give the glass a polish and get rid of all those fingerprints from the shower, and that is pretty much it because it's always clean inside, so it is super easy for me to clean it now. Moving off into the bath, again, I'm just spraying and wiping it today. So normally I would scrub the bath out, but no one's been using the bath except for my plants. It's been a nice plant watering system, so that's what I've been doing in there lately, is just been wiping that out also. So that's been saving me that bit of time. The kitchen sink is like super nasty. That bottle is just foul, so I really need to get a new cleaning bottle. It keeps leaking soap all the time, but yeah, I just really wanted to give it a good polish, and I love using Jiff, so I'm just using Jiff with a soft scourer and getting that nice and clean. This is my new cleaning baby. It's a degreaser. I did have a job that I had to do which was quite greasy, so I ended up investing in that, and I'm absolutely loving it. And this window still gets quite greasy from the cooking, so yeah, it was perfect to use there. Now I'm just starting off with the vacuuming, and I am cheating a bit this week because I am not using my backpack and I'm not able to do the skirting with this one, so yeah, a bit of a cheat way. Now that I have finished that, I am just going to give the toilet a quick clean, and then this part of the house is pretty much finished except for the hallway. And as you can see, I didn't quite make the cutoff. I had just to do the hallway, which was going to take me like a minute, so I almost made it for the hour and 10 minutes for the back half of the house. So now I can go and pick my little girl up and do this swimming. And this is what the back half of the house is looking like. Now it is all dried, I can walk on it and show you. And yeah, this is just sort of what it looks like all week pretty much. It is able to be upkept pretty easily. And now that I've freed up a lot of my cleaning time at night, I can just go along and do some of those monthly duties as well. So I can, you know, do the windows, or you know, go around and doing those skirting around the back half of the house where I'm not able to get a mop onto, because I do mop the skirting on the other parts of the house, but because I'm using a flat mop in this part, I can't. So I can go along and do those sorts of catching up on those sorts of cleaning jobs if I'm feeling up to it, which is great because I feel like I really need to do that as well. Okay, now Talia's in bed. I thought I'd just put a stopwatch on so we can see how long this takes me to do the entire cleaning process today. And yeah, I'm just gonna again do the vacuuming and mopping, and I'm using boiling water as well when I'm doing the mopping out here, just because obviously it dries quicker and the steam gets more off, and it's just so much better, especially in the kitchen areas. I much prefer it. And this took a total of 28 minutes and 23 seconds, and this morning's one was an hour and 10, and I was showing you what it looked like before in that section as well. So I'd already started the timer, and remember, I have to move camera and lights around. So if I can do this in the 1 hour and 40 for a 3-bedroom and 1 bathroom, then you guys should be able to as well. This is a bit of a shot of the next day because obviously the floor was all wet. I did forget to show you the bathroom, so we'll head back into the bathroom. The bathroom, I've actually called it 3 days after. Yep. So yeah, you'll get a sort of a gist of how it sort of upkeeps as well throughout the week. Thank you all so much for watching, and your love and support, it really does mean so much to me and my little girl. It does help support us, and I hope that you guys have a great week. And if you do want to catch up with me, I am on Facebook and Instagram at InstaLook Interiors, and I'll catch up with you next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.